Welcome, viewers. I'm Dr. S from Zhuhai Vision Medical. Today, we are excited to showcase our unique and human-centric medical devices, particularly our customizable flexible veterinary endoscope. Founded in 2016, Zhuhai Vision Medical is located in the Guangdong Macau Index Cooperation Zone in Henkin. As a listed national high-tech enterprise, we're dedicated to the research, development, production, sales and service of visualization medical devices. Our manufacturing base in Zhuhai International Healthport Park spans over 2,000 square meters. Equipped with GMP-compliant facilities, it includes a 100,000 grade clean production workshop, 4 mature production lines and a sterile laboratory ensuring strict quality management systems. Our professional management team ensures high quality and efficient production. Vision Medical upholds the philosophy of and let technology bring us health, providing society with visualized medical equipment to alleviate patients' pain. This is the core principle we consistently adhere to.
Not only that, but we actively participated in Vet Show London 2023, engaging in in-depth discussions with professionals in the international veterinary field. It was a valuable opportunity to showcase our technology and products.
Looking ahead to 2024, we will meet with clients at various major pet exhibitions, presenting our latest medical technology and products. We look forward to exchanging ideas with more friends who care about animal health. Now, let's dive into today's interview. Please welcome our virtual spokesperson, Dr. V.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. V, delighted to share the medical innovations from Zhuhai Vision Medical with all of you.
Our customizable flexible veterinary endoscope is a unique technological innovation. It's not just a wireless endoscope. It boasts an ultra-slim outer diameter and can even be customized in size according to specific needs.
This device makes examinations in the veterinary field more convenient and flexible while ensuring high-quality imaging.
Thank you for tuning in. If you're interested in our medical devices, feel free to visit our official website for more information. At Zhuhai Vision Medical, we are dedicated to contributing to the health and well-being of animals. Thank you.
Thanks for your support. Looking forward to working together for a healthy future.